This 2027 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite 36FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.